Snacking doesn't have to mean demolishing a family-sized chips bag at 2 a.m. Right, Luna?
Don't judge me, Max. But hey, what if I told you we found 5 snacks that are healthy and actually taste good?
Stick around till the end, because snack number 5 will blow your taste buds away.
First up, Greek yogurt with berries. It's creamy, sweet, and packed with protein.
And it doesn't scream, "I'm on a diet." It screams, "I'm delicious and I'll make your muscles happy." Apples and peanut butter, the ultimate power couple.
Crisp, juicy apple. Smooth peanut butter.
And way better than swiping right on junk food.
Okay, hear me out. Carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers with hummus.
Wait, veggies that taste fun?
Yup, crunchy, creamy, and your body will thank you.
Snack attack at movie night? Go for air-popped popcorn.
Light, crunchy, and guilt-free. Plus, you can sprinkle cinnamon, garlic, or cheese flavor.
Warning, may cause popcorn dance moves.
Last but not least, the holy grail, avocado toast bites.
Trendy? Yes. Overrated? Never. Healthy fats plus crunchy toast equals energy for days.
Bow down to the avocado king.
And there you have it, 5 snacks that are actually tasty and healthy.
Now the real question, which one are you snacking on first? Comment below. We want to know.
Don't forget to smash that like button if you love snacks.
And subscribe for more funny food tips every week.